The Rain. My English translation of a Telugu story written by D Venkatramayya. The Rain. Like the difficulties in a poor man's life, clouds spread throughout the sky. Like the powers of the president, sun in the sky there as if not there. In the next 24 hours, sky will be overcast. There is likelihood of widespread thunder showers. Just then, radio declares. But then, many thought that it would never rain on that day, and then it rained. And it came with all the gusto. Like the rich man raging with anger on the poor, like the prophets for the black marketeer, like the politicians' love for the people before elections, rain came with all the force. Like the one having more black money than the white, the sky displayed more black clouds than the white. Like the leaders after winning the election, sun stopped appearing in the sky. He disappeared somewhere behind the clouds. Like the socialism in the country, he became useless in spite of being there. Darkness descended during the day. In 5 minutes, roads were deserted. People taking shelter under the porticos of buildings, shops, hotels started looking at the rain. Raju also pulled the rickshaw aside, reached the veranda of a hotel, and stood in a corner. The place was already full of those seeking shelter and those coming out from inside and looking whether the rain would stop. At that time, among those assembled there were elders, gentlemen, officers, non-officials, students, clerks, businessmen, and many more kinds. Raju does not belong to any of these kinds. He is a common rickshaw puller, or a poor soul, despite pulling the rickshaw, is neither able to live nor die. And hence, Raju is standing away from all the others and is crouching in a corner. He is looking at the rain like all the others. He is waiting for the rain to stop. But he does not want the rain to stop completely. If it does not stop and continues as a drizzle, he will get some good business. It should be heavy enough to make people wet if they walk and light enough to make them safe if they go in a rickshaw. Only then Raju will get some good business. But now the rain is heavy enough to drench people even if they travel in a rickshaw. In such rain, people would prefer a taxi and never opt for rickshaw. They would wait somewhere and come out onto the roads only when the rain stops. Thinking of all this, Raju swore at the rain. Damned rain. Even after swearing, the rain never stopped. It is continuing incessantly. Just then, a college boy, after having puris and rava dosa and coffee, came out, put some nut powder in mouth, lit a cigarette, and looking onto the road, cursed the rain in English. Hell with the rain. Even after the college boy swearing in English, the rain never stopped. It continued. It even grew heavier. The boy who cursed the rain in English bit his tongue immediately. A girl drenched in the rain and then taking shelter there appeared very beautiful to him in that half-wet saree. He questioned himself whether he would be lucky enough to watch such a beautiful girl for so long if it never rained. Answered himself that it was impossible, and hence appreciated the rain and started looking at the girl without blinking. There are some more, like the college boy, who are appreciating the incessant downpour. If it continues to rain like this, thought the hotel AIR, and felt happy about the chance of people who came for shelter coming in for a cup of coffee, and appreciated the rain without stirring from his seat. The businessman selling raincoats and umbrellas thought if it continues to rain for another couple of days, this his day will be made, and appreciated the rain. A rich man with lots of money but no work, sleeping across the cot on his third floor, sipping a hot drink warmly, appreciated the rain very well. A young employee who forgot the world in the embrace of the wife, preferring the embrace over the employment, and thinking that it would be much better in the rain, appreciated the rain sans ends. Rain appreciating itself because there are so many who appreciate it, started pouring further and heavier. Along with the rain, the disgust in Raju's heart also grew. He would not get any work unless rain stops. Belly would not get full without work. So is with those at his home. No business right from the morning. Yesterday was also so. Yesterday it was half-filled stomach. Today he did not eat anything till now. The day was progressing and it was already late. Rain never stopped and it appears it will never subside. Raju was hungry, irritated too. He was angry. Rain never stopped. 2 miles from there, in a hut which was precariously withstanding the onslaught of the rain, Raju's old mother, whose capability of standing up was doubtful, was squatting at the doorsteps and looking into the unending rain with disgust. Two children, Raju's brothers, like skeletal remains, sat next to her, looking into the rain with same disgust and hope that the brother may come and may get something to eat. Raju was still standing on the hotel veranda. Raju was hungry. Raju's old mother was hungry. Raju's brothers, with nothing except bones in the body, were also hungry. Still, the rain never stopped. The whole day, it never stopped. Raju did not get any business. To him, his mother, and to his brothers, there was no food that day.